The Samsung Galaxy A16 is an affordable addition to Samsung's popular A-series lineup, designed to offer a balance of performance, features, and affordability. Let's take a closer look at what this smartphone brings to the table. The Galaxy A16 features a sleek and minimalist design with a plastic back and frame. The phone is lightweight and comfortable to hold, with a glossy finish that adds a touch of elegance. However, the plastic material makes it less durable, and the glossy finish is prone to smudges. Available in a variety of colors, the design is simple yet stylish, appealing to budget-conscious users who want a phone that looks good. The A16 boasts a 6.6-inch PLS LCD display with an FHD+ resolution. The screen offers decent sharpness and vibrant colors, making it suitable for media consumption, casual browsing, and gaming. The inclusion of a 90 Hz refresh rate ensures smoother scrolling and transitions, which is a nice touch for a phone in this price range. While the display performs well indoors, it struggles slightly in direct sunlight due to limited brightness levels. The Galaxy A16 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, paired with up to 6 GB of RAM. This combination ensures smooth performance for day-to-day tasks like messaging, browsing, and watching videos. While it handles light gaming and multitasking adequately, the phone is not designed for intensive gaming or heavy workloads. It lacks 5G connectivity, which may be a drawback for those looking for a more future-proof device. The A16 comes with a triple camera setup, a 50MP main sensor, a 2MP macro lens, and a 5MP depth sensor. The main camera delivers decent results in well-lit conditions, capturing sharp and detailed photos. However, low-light performance is less impressive, with noticeable noise and a loss of detail. The macro and depth sensors are functional but not particularly versatile. The front-facing 13MP camera is adequate for selfies and video calls but struggles in low-light conditions. The overall camera performance is good for a budget device but lacks advanced features like ultra-wide or macro lenses. Battery life is one of the highlights of the Galaxy A16. The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day on moderate usage, making it a reliable companion for users who need a phone that can keep up with their busy lives. It supports 25W fast charging, which replenishes the battery fairly quickly. However, Samsung has opted not to include a charger in the box, which may be inconvenient for some users. The device runs on One UI Core 5.1 based on Android 13. Samsung's One UI is known for its clean, user-friendly interface, and the core version retains most of the essential features while leaving out some advanced functionalities found in higher-end models. Regular updates from Samsung add to the overall experience, ensuring the phone remains secure and functional over time. Pros: stylish and lightweight design. Decent display with 90 Hz refresh rate. Reliable battery life with fast charging support. Expandable storage up to 1 TB. Cons: plastic build lacks a premium feel. No AMOLED display. Limited camera versatility. Not suitable for heavy gaming. Lacks 5G connectivity. Conclusion: the Samsung Galaxy A16 is a well-rounded budget smartphone that caters to users looking for a dependable device for everyday tasks. It offers a good display, solid battery life, and a clean software experience. While it doesn't excel in performance or camera versatility, it's a reliable choice for those who prioritize affordability and basic functionality over cutting-edge features. If you're a casual user seeking a simple, budget-friendly phone from a trusted brand, the Galaxy A16 could be an excellent choice. However, users looking for advanced gaming performance, 5G connectivity, or superior cameras may want to explore other options.